Round the corner, not far away, Bing and Flop are watching fireworks today. Bing and Flop are here in their very dark nighttime garden, and they're waiting for all their friends to come round and have a fireworks party. Flop's here just getting the barbecue ready for everyone to have some delicious food. And Bing is very excited. He can't wait to see the fireworks. I'm so excited, Flop. Oh, me too, Bing. And so Bing and Flop wait very patiently for all their friends to arrive. Here comes Bing's cousin Coco and his baby cousin Charlie. Hi Bing, hi Flop. Hello Coco, are you excited for the fireworks? Yes I am, I just love fireworks. Baby Charlie is very excited too, and he's very brave. He won't be scared of the bangs even though he's very small. He's going to sit here with me and we're going to watch the fireworks together. Soon Sula and Amma arrive for the fireworks party. They're very excited to be watching the fireworks display in Bing's garden. Oh, this looks fantastic. I'm very hungry for some barbecue food. And they stand over near the tree and wait for the rest of the party to join them. In comes Panda and Paget. They've come to watch the fireworks party in Bing and Flop's garden. Soon after, Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig arrive for the party. And of course, they arrive with Peppa and George, and they're going to sit at the front with everybody else. Everybody is so excited for the fireworks party. Not long after, everybody finally arrives. Bing and Flop's garden is very busy with lots of guests. Lots of people ready to enjoy the fireworks display and the delicious barbecue food. I think we're ready to start this fireworks display, everybody. Let's fire the fireworks up. He lights the fireworks and he stands back. Everybody watches the beautiful fireworks display start. Oh, Flop, I don't like it. Oh, what's the matter, Bing? It's too bangy, my ears. Oh, Bing is scared by the noise and he quickly charges past everybody. He doesn't like the banging noise. Ah! And he runs inside. Oh dear, Amma, says Flop. We might have to finish this fireworks party sooner than expected. Oh, don't worry, Flop. I've got an idea. What's your idea, Amma? How will we get Bing back outside to enjoy the fireworks display without being scared? When Sula is scared, we put some ear muffles over her ears. I've got an idea. Wait a minute, Flop, you'll see. So Amma goes inside to find Bing. Bing is in his bed. He's very scared of all the loud bangs. Bing, don't be scared, says Amma. I've got an idea for you and you can go and watch the fireworks and enjoy it again. But I'm really scared, Amma. We're going to put some ear muffles on your ears, Bing Bunny, and you can go and join the fireworks display. You won't hear a thing, you'll just see all the pretty colours. Oh, okay, Amma. I can try the ear muffles. I do want to see the fireworks, but the loud banging noise was really hurting my ears and scaring me. Don't worry, Bing Bunny. We'll have you out there in no time, enjoying the party again. So Amma helps Bing to put the ear muffles on his ears. And Bing goes back outside with his ear muffles on. He might look a little bit silly, but at least he can enjoy watching the fireworks, and he's not scared anymore. Watching the fireworks. It's a Bing thing.